Such a freshly made coffee on a couch, oh so comfy, and in an empty mind, just a book in my hand. There's nothing beating a quiet time, the peace of me and a book of mine, the sounds of breezing rain and the feels of the night. 'Cause a room without the stories is a body sends its soul. A life without these tales will make a world for us to hold. No, why does it feel when I read the words? It messes up my heart and mind, but it will always give me this peace and love. Oh, I will never ever live far away. I've never felt this feeling before. To love and to be loved in this way. My heart is blooming and at ease when I have these books as my keys. My youth come back so bright by the turn of the night. If this is real love, then I'm blessed. The beat so loud here in my chest, the way it reads my mind, that will be so worthwhile. And there's nothing else that I can ask for, please am I so dear. And there's everything that I could think of, nothing else to fear. No, why does it feel when I read the words? It messes up my heart and mind, but it will always give me this peace and love. Oh, I will never ever live far away. I've never felt this feeling before. To love and to be loved in this way.